Today we're gonna cook gyoza, one of the easy recipes that we've learned during quarantine. So the key here is going crispy yung ilalim and steamed yung taas. So I'm super happy to have found this restaurant quality gyoza from a small online shop called Gypsy Eats PH. They sell Misuta gyoza. To start, just defrost it for 15 minutes lang. Kasi pag sobrang tagal, nalulusaw yung wrapper. O, tara na, assistant.
Oh, ang dami.
Ayan, try na natin. So, ito na siya. So, if you can see, crispy yung ilalim, tapos malambot siya sa taas. Ito, 30 pieces yung order, pero konti-konti lang namin siya lulutuin. And meron siyang kasamang gyoza sauce. Sarap siya. Para ka na kumain sa restaurant, sobrang niyang malasa. Meron siyang ground pork, salt, black pepper, garlic, ginger, cabbage, chives, special seasoning, and flour. Ayan. Tapos mamaya, lutuin naman natin tong nobashi shrimp for tempura. Same din, dun ko rin nakuha sa Gypsy Eats PH. That's it! Thank you guys for watching. I'll put down the links below. Watch out for more easy recipes for newbie cooks like me. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.